Good morning and welcome back to the Tiny Home series. I'm Russ with Outdoor Express Adventures and back at it again. So, you've been with me through the bathroom and you've been with me through this wall behind me and the columns on the side. Now, today, I am just doing pretty much a cleaning, reorganizing, and seeing what I have left over to finish out a couple things that I need to get done. Like the columns, they need to be at least three sides out of four sides. So whenever I get the electrical, well, it'll be easier to route it through. Then on the bathroom, I've got to cap that off. I'm calling it cap or seal it off, whatever. I'm making it a room. And so I just got to get those pieces for the cross braces and for my side going into the kitchen, living room, kind of the most visible side for everybody else. Just got to get that done. And I'm tripping over things. I'll show you this stuff, but it's kind of a cluster. So I just need to get it cleaned up. So just cleaning off the windows, getting the goo gone.
Yeah, we figured out how to do it without leaving the residue, but only by like the third to last window.
Yep.
So I wish we had figured that out sooner.
With the blade and the goo gone?
No, with like full on pulling it out or pulling it off.
Oh, the stickers on there beforehand, yeah.
Yeah.
And what else we're going to tackle is organizing all of this and picking up everything as well. What I'm going to do while they're doing that over there is I have these three sides, 1, 2, 3, and you can see in the back I don't have that one completed, so that's one thing that I'm going to do. Then whenever I get to it, I'm going to get some cross braces or trusses, whatever you want to call it, and just go connect these there and there, just so it gives it a room, and then angle it down to where I can get that sealed off completely. So
It's a butterfly. Did you know a bird got in here, Russell?
yeah.
Did you see the bird?
No, I did not see the bird. And now a quick word from our sponsors. Just kidding, because we have none. I need a bucket or something. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you just set that right there, because that's gonna be that's perfect. Here's the old crooked screw that your mom tried to give me. I have no idea what these were used for, but right now one of them is acting as a doorstop for me. Unless you have any other ideas for this, then throw them in the back. That wasn't too bad. I've already tangled this up. Great.
Where do you want it?
Just to go be plugged in. Crap. So take that. And I guess just start walking out into the post. Mandy, need your help. Perfect. Okay. I don't know if that's going to stay there for now, but how the heck did that get in there?
I trapped it.
Oh, you trapped it. You know what I didn't get? The screws. and my drill. Oh no, my drill's right there. Will you go grab the screws that you and your mom got the other day? Thank you. Sound quality is a little bit better because the boy got mic'd up. Hey, will you push up against this? Well, actually, that should be like, don't lean too crazy hard. Just, yeah, I know, because I know you're about to like, just pressure. Cool. Now, we should be able to not undo this and it not fall. What do you think?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Now I've just got to put some, like, finish up.
Russell.
Hey. Aw, she's so pretty. I'm gonna show everybody how pretty you are. Say, my name's Piper, and this is how pretty I am. She's so pretty. I love you. You love me. My name's Piper. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Second. She's making me angry.
You took trees down, so we know you can do it.
Yep. What was that? Oh, I wish you still had your mic, because that would have been good. Oh, wow. Just from adding that one piece right here, it's already made this a lot stronger. I mean, duh, but I didn't think about this.
What?
I was just trying to get it done.
Got what?
I should have just done them right, like in line with the other ones. I didn't even think about that. You need to. You need to start taking the phone and.
Take what?
So you need to start taking the phone.
You okay?
No, I'm just getting frustrated. We turn off the video. Next morning, as you saw in the last video, or at the end, I was angry. I had been trying to figure out the best way to put these ends on. I'm calling rafters. They're not rafters. It's just to cap off this bathroom again. I got that one But that took what felt like an eternity and a lot of wasted lumber. Thankfully, I had some extra cuts to where I could use that. But now I'm getting into the stuff that I can't mess up. So after a lot of thinking, research, um, maybe some tears, a little bit of blood, but I've figured out how I'm going to tackle this. And all it takes is two nails, not pieces of nails, and some rope. I'm going to try to get one, two, three, four pieces, just four. And then I am so done with this that I'm not even going to touch it until I have to do whatever else is next. So what I've seen is that you can take the two nails, put one at your closest corner on your wall, and then put another one at the closest corner of your rafter, and tie your string, your rope, whatever, and that will give you angle. I looked up how to build common rafters, which again, that's just what I found. But we're gonna give it a go, and hopefully I can. Like I said, I want to get. I want to get this done. I'm over this right now. But good news, I got a new framing hammer. This thing's pretty bomb. It's pretty sick. I like it. It's got the magnetic head where you can hold your nails and drive them, so you don't have to smash your fingers. And it's just really cool. It's got a good weight to it. it I got it from Harbor Freight. Shout out. Oh, smash it with the hammer. Great movie. If anybody can name that movie from that quote, put it in the comments below and we'll be buds. Why not? That is 30. That's a 30-degree angle. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. So from here to wherever 18 and 7/8 is, that should be the span, the length that I need to cut my other pieces at. But if I were to do it from here, that would not be it. It has to be from the bottom. So we're going to do that. And then from there, I do the same thing that I did here. So I will do that right there. That is now my pivot point. Yeah, that goes right there. Go to 30 degrees again. Ooh. Oh no, but I need to go from this side. So from here. Yeah, that's it. It's simple math. You should have done this. You should have done that. Well, I didn't, so here we are. Oh, yeah, did it. Oh, thank the Lord. Thank you. Oh, thank you. This is magical. This actually worked, and I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? And just like that, it's done. I found that little trick, and with the string, it helped so much to find my angles between this wall and the rafter. So if you have anything that you need to find an angle for between a span of boards, whatever, I highly recommend doing that. But again, this is done. I'm glad it's done. I'll end the video properly. Thanks for joining me with this one. have fun exploring.